What's up, money makers? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond Chanel, and I know why you're here. You want to know how to get to the bag this summer, okay? So if you know me, I'm not into the long intro, so we're just going to jump right into the video. We're going to be talking about 3 high-paying summer side hustles. 3 high-paying summer side hustles. Okay, 2021, this is how we're going to get to it. Something about the summer smells like money to me. I don't know why. Is it just me? I like making money in the summertime. I know that you do too. School is out. Put the books away. We got a little extra time on our hands, so we can start making some money. And it just seems like people are looking for something to do in the summer, so why not get to a bag? I mean, that's the funnest activity. That's what I like to do. That's what you like to do. I know that's why you're here. I know. So I'm going to be getting into some great high-paying ways. I'm not talking about sitting there taking surveys all summer, okay? That doesn't even work. I don't know why people still say that. Anyway, I'm talking about really making some money, some passive, some active income, but to really be making some money this summer. Now, every time I think of the summer, maybe because I'm a woman, but every time I think of the summer, I think about, Meg Thee Stallion coined the phrase, hot girl summer. All right. What would Megan do? And usually people say this because they're talking about their bodies, they're talking about looking good, feeling good, and in a predominantly female-driven industry, which is the health and wellness industry, everybody is thinking about losing weight. Everybody is thinking about their bodies. They're thinking about getting into the swimsuit. They're thinking about going to the beach and not having to cover up and feeling like, ooh, I shouldn't have wore this, right? So one of the best businesses to get into is the health and wealth business in the summertime. I swear, everybody, even men, like I say, it's a predominantly female-ran industry, but even men are looking to get their bodies right in the summer. They're looking to feel good. They're looking to look good. They're looking for other people to be looking at them and thinking that they look good. Whenever you go into a field of trying to make money, you want to be able to solve a problem. And in the summertime, it brings out a lot of insecurities in people because now you have to wear less clothing and people start to become very subconscious about how they look. So for example, when you look at one of the highest industries last summer 2020, when everybody was on lockdown, Amazon, Walmart, and other big companies did the best in at-home fitness equipment. So that told me that a lot of people were worried about gaining weight during quarantine because, we just snacking. We just trying to pass the time with some food. So a lot of people gained weight. If you look around, I look around sometimes, even me, I gain weight. I gained that quarantine 15, 20, whatever. So people are looking to work this off. And since the gyms were shut down, people were buying at-home equipment and free weights from Amazon, from Walmart. But this really shows you what the majority had on their mind, and it was their own health. And this is not something that's unusual, like this is just what people thought about last summer. No, usually every summer you see the health and wellness industry thrive. So I'm going to give you a couple ideas on how you can thrive and make money very easily in the health and wellness sector this summer. If you're the type of person that cares about your health all year long anyway, then this would be a great place for you to start making money. Number one, everybody is so used to using Zoom now. Even though that the gyms are back open, people are still comfortable with being at home and not leaving their living room to work out or not having to leave their driveway to work out. If you're good at fitness and you're good at workout techniques, then you can start creating Zoom classes and offering workout sessions. And I know for myself, when I work out, sometimes I could be confused and I'll go to YouTube or I'll go to people's workout plans to figure out what are the best workout plans to get to my desired body goals. I remember speaking to a gentleman last summer, and I thought it was really great that he was offering group sessions from Zoom. And so we would meet at 7 o'clock at night, and everybody would either go outside or they'll find a comfortable place in their house, and we all work out together. It made me think of how much money he could have been making because it was really a free session. But now think about it like this. If you offer a free session of a group workout and people really enjoy your workouts, then you can start pushing that, hey, I do one-on-one sessions as well. And you can start charging for one-on-one coaching sessions. You can also charge an entry fee for your group sessions, but being able to give something for free and then give people a little taste of what you have, I would surely pay somebody to do a one-on-one session with me. And if I don't have to leave my house, I don't have to feel subconscious in the gym, which a lot of women do or a lot of people do in general, then you just do a one-on-one session with me, teaching me what workouts I need to do, glutes to build my glutes, if I'm looking for a flat stomach, to do some ab workouts, yada, yada, yada. And you could simply be charging this based off of Cash App, honestly. But if you want to make yourself look more trustworthy, I recommend building a website that is revolving around fitness and showing that you offer free group sessions and you also offer one-on-one coaching sessions. Building off of that. So you don't have to do that, but if you took that route, you can create a website, and while you're offering coaching sessions, you can also offer meal preps or meal plans. So if you've seen any of my other passive income videos, I love digital products. So a great digital product that you can begin, even if you're just good at culinary arts, so you're good at cooking or you're good at meal prepping, whatever it is, or you live a specific lifestyle such as veganism, which is really huge right now, keto, whatever the other big diets are that becomes explosive during the summertime. If you're good at making those types of meals, you can begin creating digital products simply using a Microsoft document and creating a meal prep recipe book. If you want to spruce it up a little bit, you can film yourself making these lunches or making these meals or showing what's the best way to make a keto meal under 20 grams of carbs or under 20 grams of sugar, or how to live a vegan lifestyle that's exciting, that's fun, with fun recipes. And you can create a whole meal prep cookbook type of situation. Get your camera out, put these things on YouTube, and then you can get paid double ways. You can get paid from building yourself a meal prepping plan on Microsoft Word, and then as well as building a following on your YouTube channel and getting paid from YouTube ads. So right there, I just told you 3 ways to make money off of one industry. Remember, I like to call myself passive income queen, and multiple streams of income. You are building multiple different streams so that even if one is low, next week the other one is going higher. So you're consistently making this money from different avenues using one industry. Lastly, just to tie up the health and wellness industry, going back to creating pre-made digital downloads and digital plans. A plan that I thought of that would have been really helpful if someone would have created was workout plans. So even if you're the type of person that you don't want to interact with other people, however, you do great workouts or you know how to lift weights, you know how to train the body well, be creating a plan similar to a meal prepping plan, but instead create a website and have different Microsoft documents, different plans to, if you want to get tighter glutes, you have a whole plan doing that. So that could be a simple worksheet that's saying you're going to do 30 squats and you're going to do 30 squats for 3 days straight each day, whatever. And from there, you're really outlining somebody's entire workout without having to speak to them or having to deal with them one-on-one if you're a bit more introverted. And this could be also something that you could be doing if you have a lot of clients and you couldn't possibly do all of these one-on-one sessions. You can switch it up by giving people a done-for-you type of plan, where they will follow it at their own pace, and you have it all written down with pictures, with videos on how to do it, and really get in depth and get creative with this. people feel like they're getting a lot for what they pay for. Now, something like this, say those plans, those individual plans, say for arms or glutes, I would charge maybe $20 to $40 per plan. Always do an all-around full package, full body package, where you break down weekly workouts for each body part to get that person to their desired body goals. Leave a comment below and telling me that you want more summer side hustle ideas. Trust me, I got a whole list of them for you. I just didn't want to make this video too long, so I only gave you 3, but these are high-paying summer side hustles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe for me so you can see more content. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.